going to slowly make our way towards Cadbury World now. We're going to be there a little bit early.
.88 litres cost £117.59.
Have a little chill out before we hit the chocolate factory. We got here a little bit early, so we got some time to kill. So we're just walking out from the van now, head towards the factory. We're still a little bit early, but we're going to see if we can try and get in a bit earlier. So we've seen like 2 shows so far. We're just going on to the next bit now.
Picture in front of the gorilla. The advert.
The real gorilla.
The real gorilla.
Definitely want a green screen.
Yeah, if anyone knows that advert where he does the drums to In the Air Tonight by Phil Collins, the gorilla playing the drums.
Just poke myself in the eye. Look at me!
Mate, this is thrilling. She went, how was the ride? I went, yeah. Let's go. Taste testing.
Let's go bananas for my furry friend who needs no introduction.
So that's us finishing the inside bit. We're now on the outside bit. It's like a weird little market thing, and there's more things out of it. So I don't know what we're going to find, but we're going to go see.
Let's go see. Are we going to climate frame?
Yeah. Straight pass. Do I look 3D to you?
Yeah, you look well 3D. Choose your special process. Oh! Wow. That's sick. Dark. Invisible? Regenerate. Wow. And it only regenerates. That's what you want.
That is what you need in the world.
Yeah.
Although it wouldn't be a very good business model, would it?
No.
You wouldn't make a lot of money.
No, one more.
Because you would never eat the full bar.
Like 0G.
Break it off and it floats.
Yes! Oh, that'd be sick.
That would be cool. Whisper. So we're just finished up at Cadbury World now. We've done the outside bit, just see the 4D show, which was wicked.
That's so good.
It was cool. It was really cool. So we're now going to start heading towards our overnight stay. Hour and 46 minutes. Hopefully it's not too busy there. It says on Park for Night that it could be fairly busy, but we'll see.
Bye, Cadbury World. See you another time.
So after an hour and 46 minute drive, we're finally here. Before we set up and chill out, we're going to do one thing. Hey! We got the hood. So yeah, we're parked up. There's some really pretty views. Obviously we can't see it too much right now. Really looking forward to the morning. I think tonight we're just going to listen to some tunes and chill out and just enjoy our time here. Anything you want to add?
I'm hungry.
Yeah, we're hungry. So I think first of all we're going to have a little tidy up. Then I'm going to make some dinner, which isn't really going to be a dinner, but
Wraps.
yeah, we're going to have some wraps.
Yeah, I'm going to tidy up while he's making dinner and asking me loads of questions on how to cook something.
I'm going to be asking what do you think I should put in it.
Yeah.
Stay tuned for some arguments.
You're in my fucking way, dude! You're in my fucking way! You're in my fucking way!
These scissors are blunt. When we was at Diddley Squat, we bought the handmade crisps, the hand-cooked crisps. Oh, made a thing. So this one's lightly salted.
I've got cheese and onion made with Hereford hot cheese.
They're gluten-free as well, so...
Oh.
Alison?
Literally the best crisps in the world.
In the world. Wow. They smell good. Do you want to smell?
Well, they're actually really good.
Oh, have you tried it already?
Yeah.
You snake. They got a proper nice punch to them. They're not too salty. I just whistled. Not too salty. What would you rate them?
8 out of 10.
I literally only ever really eat crisps when I'm hungry and there's nothing else there. They're like emergency food. Unless if they're knickknacks. If they're knickknacks, then that's a different story, innit? Or Tangy Toms.
Tangy Toms?
You never had Tangy Toms? Oh, mate, Tangy Toms are banging. Swap. At least let me have a few. Quality content, mate. What other YouTubers do you know sit in their van and eat crisps and film it? None. They're literally all on like jets and stuff like that and like ice caves. And this is why you subscribe to us. So I went on Google Maps and found a car park near one of the trails that we want to walk. It's taken us down a byway that's completely not built up at all most of the way, and then we get to another section and then it is just complete muddy trail. So we've turned around, we're either going to park up along this road and walk up the rest of the way, or we're going to go follow the redirection route. So we decided just to park up along the byway. There's a little lay-by here, so we've dropped it here. We're going to walk up the rest of the way. Yeah, so we're going to aim to head back for 4ish. I want to get ready for work and prepare and then chill out, and we're just going to get our boots on, get everything packed and ready to go, and then we're going to start heading towards the trail. Byways.
We're walking. Let's take these off. 11:10. We just had a wrap. It's tasty. We see lots of sheeps.
Commentary of the year.
Thank you. Hi.
Bit stuck.
Google Maps was an interesting route.
Yeah.
It took us the same way. We just stopped back there.
Oh wow, the middle's proper stuck, isn't it? Yeah. I mean, I'm surprised you made it this far. That's actually sitting on your rear axle. Get in and turn it on. Yeah. Start it up.
Yes.
Yeah? Alright, thank you.
That's alright, no worries.
Mate, I can't believe I made it that far.
Well done, babe.
That's impressive. I love that they didn't get to the other end of this track and think, yeah, that looks a bit dodgy. I don't think we're going to do that. Oh, brilliant.
It's cute.
Justin. Bye bye.
If you're wondering why I'm wearing Billy's shirt, it's actually because we both got the same. Mine was like a 2XL and his was like a large or an XL. And we both got matching, as sad as that is. And the Rasta hat that my dad got me, proper Rastafari.
Rastafari. So we set an alarm because our video's set to be released at 12 o'clock, so we've just stopped on the side of the bank. We're going to quickly just post all the stories and everything we need to do just to let people know it's out, and then we're going to carry on the trail, but we have got a beautiful view while we're sitting here doing so. So we've just finished checking out that video, making sure everything was alright with it.
It's great.
It does look great. You've done a really good job at editing that, babe. Really good job. Once you finish this video, make sure you give it a like if you enjoyed it. Go check that video out as well. It's called The Best Walk in Essex.
Cadbury Castle is one of several forts along this ridgeway. The castle was built 6th century BC. It was occupied more than 2,500 years ago. In the 6th century, the site became part of the Saxon Kingdom in Wessex. In 1996, a geographical survey reported about 40 huts inside the moat, inside the castle.
Like, there's not much of the castle remaining whatsoever now. It's pretty much all gone, but the moat and the ridgeways here that we use for the protection of the fort are still here, and they're massive. Ooh, it's windy up here, very windy. The video really don't do that justice, does it?
Fall down it and then maybe...
Yeah, go on.
Let me fall down and then you'll
Get
get
a
a
run
good
up.
idea.
Yeah, get a run up, do a flip, and go!
Can I just say this is a stupid idea?
Huh?
This is a stupid idea.
I know. Fight! I'm dizzy! I am Billy Goat. Oh, that was a lot of fun. But I got to the end. I didn't realise how dizzy I was. Have I got any shit on me?
No.
You was going to say yeah, wouldn't you? I got some serious speed at the end of that. Not the best thing to do after you've just eaten.
No.
Oats and pineapple.
Just got back to the van. It's 10 to 3, which is a bit later than we expected.
Yeah, just a little bit. We was expected to be home by this time.
Yeah, but that's fine. So we've got about 2 hours and 20 minutes drive home. I'm gonna drive, and yeah, really sad we're leaving, but it was a really, really lovely walk on the way back. Yeah. Thank you for coming along this journey with us. Please like and subscribe and comment down below where you'd like to see us go next.
I feel like I'm going to the Charlie's Chocolate Factory.
Is there a chocolate river? Doesn't look like there's any parking there anyway. Chocolate bike.
Get it?
We got the hoodies. We got the hoodies.